I would say every maybe 10,000 miles or so, depending on how often you drive, you might want to replace your air filter, especially at maintenance service interval, maybe 30,000, 60,000. Definitely you want to check and replace this. And on Toyota, 2015, 16, and maybe probably up to like 2018 Toyota Corolla or similar, pretty simple to change. Just need, I'll put the link below. This is 2015. So there are a couple opener or lever here. There's another one over here. Hopefully you can see where I'm pointing right now. So just release it or pop it to the side, like so. I'll pop it to the side. And then just gently remove this. I might need two hands, but the thing is that you want to push forward a little bit here. There you go. And you see the filter underneath here. Okay. And sorry about the shakiness, but basically with two hands you're gonna remove this from here. Okay. Right, so. And there's the things that there are two sides to this. Sorry, a little shake. It's also a good idea once you remove your filter, your old filter, go ahead and clean the, once it is open, go ahead and clean the inside, the chamber inside of any debris, anything like that, or any dust or leaves before you put the new one in. That's what I did earlier. So if you don't remember the front, there are two sides, the front and the back. And what I found pretty easy to put the new one back is, first of all, you want to, instead of trying to fit into the hole here, you want to fit it on the cover here, okay? What I mean is that, let me show you. Okay, right here, you know how I did it? I just fit it over here, okay? Instead of doing down there, which is kind of hard. You might find it difficult, but if you fit it over here, and then you're gonna basically gently move it down, should fit right away. Let me see. I wiggle a little bit, and then over here, you need to be able to fit it right here, and that should do the trick pretty much. Make sure it's sit in there. And not quite there yet. Let me wiggle a little bit. See, it's not actually seated over here. It should come back here a little bit, just gently. Okay, here we go. It should. Still not quite there yet. Actually, sorry. This thing has to be on the other side here. Kind of in the way, so make sure, so it's blocking it to sitting here. And now you just simply want it sit properly, you just flip it here, lock it, and then over here the same thing. Hopefully, sorry you didn't see very well, but you lock it over here also. You see the click here, push it back, and that's it. It's pretty much, make sure it sits in here pretty good. Hopefully it makes sense. So basically, try to fit your filter in this cap first before you put it in, instead of trying to fit it into the base. Hope that helps, and we'll see you folks on the next video.